Welcome to the Tech Sharmit Vlogs, a journey where technology, inspiration, and real stories come together. This time, the destination is something truly special, the LNM Institute of Information Technology, a place filled with young, curious minds, passionate about innovation and learning. The energy here? Absolutely electrifying. And today, I had the incredible opportunity to be a part of it. Standing on that stage, looking at hundreds of bright faces, I felt something beyond words. It wasn't just about giving a talk. It was about sharing a vision that learning never stops. And that technology isn't just about code. It's about people, ideas, and impact. Every conversation, every handshake, every smile reminded me why I started this journey in the first place. To connect, to teach, and to grow together. From insightful discussions to those unforgettable group pictures, every moment became a memory worth keeping. And as I look back, I realize this wasn't just another session. It was a reminder that when passion meets purpose, magic truly happens. So join me as we relive this beautiful day. The laughter, the learnings, and the moments that made it all unforgettable. Because this is where the Tech Sharmit Vlogs truly begins. As the morning unfolded, the campus came alive with energy. Every corner of LNMIIT was buzzing with enthusiasm. Students arriving with bright smiles, laptops in hand, and that unmistakable spark of curiosity in their eyes. You could feel the excitement in there. Some were registering for the session, others setting up their gadgets, ready to dive into learning mode. And then there were those friendly groups, chatting, laughing, and enjoying breakfast together, turning the simple morning into something truly joyful. What really stood out was their discipline. Everyone knew their part and did it with such focus and grace. No chaos, no confusion, just a well-orchestrated flow of passion and purpose. It reminded me that when young minds come together with the right attitude, even the simplest moments become extraordinary. And behind all of this, the heart of the event was the incredible volunteer team. From managing registrations to ensuring every student felt welcomed, they were everywhere, quietly making sure everything ran perfectly. Their planning, their teamwork, their dedication, it was truly inspiring to watch. It's moments like these that remind us, success isn't built alone. It's created by people who care, who contribute, and who believe in the power of collaboration. The energy was contagious, the smiles were genuine, and the day was just beginning to unfold its magic. After the vibrant buzz of registrations and student excitement, I got a chance to slow down a little, to sit with the amazing organizing team. They had thoughtfully arranged a lovely breakfast. And honestly, it wasn't just about the food. It was about the warmth that came with it. There's something special about conversations that happen over a shared meal. Between sips of coffee and laughter, we started exchanging ideas, from technology and innovation to the power of student communities, and how much they can achieve when guided with purpose. Listening to their stories, I could feel their dedication, the passion they had for creating opportunities, the care they put into every little detail of the event. It truly reflected their commitment to making this experience meaningful for everyone involved. And then came one of the most awaited moments of the day, the keynote session by Vikas Bajpai. The hall grew quiet, the energy shifted, and every eye turned toward the stage. You could feel that sense of anticipation, the kind that comes when you know something truly meaningful is about to begin. Vikas Bajpai's words carried both wisdom and warmth. He didn't just speak about technology or trends, he spoke about mindset, growth, and the power of perseverance. Every line felt like a spark, lighting up thoughts in every student sitting there. What stood out the most was his ability to connect. It wasn't a lecture, it was a conversation. One that made everyone reflect on their journey, their dreams, and the limitless potential that lies within. He reminded us that success isn't about shortcuts. It's about curiosity, courage, and consistency. Watching the audience, their focused faces, their occasional smiles, I realized how powerful words can be when they come from genuine experience. After that incredible keynote, it was my turn to step onto the stage. The topic, Fundamentals of Generative AI. Understanding the future of intelligent content. Just saying those words gave me a rush of excitement, because this isn't just technology. It's a revolution shaping how we think, create, and communicate. Standing there, I looked at a hall full of young, eager minds, ready to explore the future. And I thought, this is where innovation truly begins, in curiosity. We dive deep into the world of generative AI, from how machines learn patterns to how they now create art, music, stories, and even code. I wanted them to see that AI isn't replacing creativity, it's expanding it. It's giving creators, developers, and dreamers new tools to imagine without limits. The best part? The spark in their eyes. Every question, every nod, every note they took. It reminded me why I love doing this. Teaching isn't just about sharing information. It's about sharing energy, sharing hope, and showing people what's possible when passion meets technology. And as I spoke, I could sense that connection. A silent promise between teacher and learner that today's session was not just a lecture, it was a beginning. Because the future of intelligent content isn't some distant dream, it's already unfolding. And these students are going to be the ones shaping it. After an engaging deep dive into generative AI, the momentum continued with another power-packed session, Building RAG-based Applications Using Gemma, led by Anukriti Bansal. From the very first minute, you could sense the audience's excitement. RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation, is one of those fascinating areas of AI that's redefining how intelligent systems understand and respond to information. And Anukriti explained it with such clarity that even the most complex concepts started feeling simple and practical. She walked everyone through how RAG models combine retrieval and generation to produce highly accurate and context-aware outputs, and how tools like Gemma make it easier for developers to build smart, adaptive AI applications. What made her session truly stand out was the way she connected theory with real-world examples. Students weren't just listening, they were learning, questioning, and imagining how they could use these ideas in their own projects. It's always inspiring to see speakers who not only teach but ignite curiosity. Anukriti did exactly that, showing that the future of AI belongs to those who are not afraid to experiment, explore, and create. The energy in the hall was once again electric, full of possibility and fresh ideas. Every session felt like a new window opening into the future of technology. And just when we thought the learning curve couldn't climb any higher, Varun took the stage. And what followed was nothing short of electrifying. His session, Building Apps in Minutes, Not Weeks with Firebase Studio, and Building AI Agents with Firebase Jenkit, was a perfect blend of speed, innovation, and creativity. From the very first moment, Varun's energy filled the room, a mix of confidence and passion that instantly connected with the audience. He showcased how Firebase Studio can turn an idea into a working application within minutes, no lengthy development cycles, no unnecessary complexity, just pure innovation in motion. These students were amazed to see how something so powerful could be built so effortlessly. And then came the next part, Building AI Agents with Firebase Jenkit. This is where the magic of automation met the power of intelligence. Varun demonstrated how GenKit can help developers design agents that learn, adapt, and respond in real time. The kind of technology that once felt futuristic but is now becoming the new normal. What made his session truly special wasn't just the tech, it was the mindset. He showed everyone that the future belongs to those who think fast, build smart, and never stop experimenting. As he wrapped up, you could almost feel the collective inspiration in the room. Students whispering ideas, imagining prototypes, and dreaming of their next big project. It was innovation in its purest form, quick, practical, and incredibly empowering. As the sessions came to an end, the day transitioned into something even more special. A celebration of connection, learning, and shared joy. Group pictures began, and with every click, we froze a memory. Smiles that spoke louder than words, laughter that echoed the spirit of the day. It wasn't just about capturing faces. It was about capturing moments, the energy, the curiosity, the friendships formed through a shared love of technology. Then came one of my favorite parts, interacting with these students. Their questions, their ideas, their excitement. It was so refreshing to see how deeply they think about the future. Some talked about building startups, others about research and innovation. Every conversation was a glimpse into tomorrow's leaders in the making. Lunch followed soon after. And honestly, it wasn't just a meal. It felt like a community table. Stories, laughter, tech discussions, and friendly banter filled the room. It's amazing how food and friendship can create such a comfortable space to connect beyond the stage. And before the day wrapped up, I took a short campus tour, walking through LNMIIT's beautiful spaces, feeling the calm energy of a place that nurtures creativity and learning. Every corner had a story of ambition, of progress, and of dreams taking shape. After lunch, it was time for some real fun, the quiz session. The atmosphere turned electric again. Laughter, whispers, quick discussions, and that unmistakable energy of healthy competition filled the hall. Questions started rolling in, some tricky, some playful, all designed to test not just knowledge, but curiosity. And what amazed me the most was how sharp and confident the students were. Hands shot up in seconds, answers came with smiles, and the enthusiasm was simply contagious. It wasn't just about winning, it was about celebrating how much everyone had learned throughout the day. Each question felt like a spark, reminding us that true learning is joyful. It's about exploring, sharing, and having fun along the way. And then came the moment everyone was waiting for, the swag distribution. From the stage to the crowd, excitement rippled through the air as winners received their goodies, those little tokens of appreciation that mean so much more than prizes. The cheers, the high fives, the proud faces, every bit of it added to the spirit of the event. What made it even more special was seeing how students celebrated each other's success. It was teamwork, friendship, and community, all wrapped into one beautiful moment. As the quiz wrapped up and the smiles lingered, I couldn't help but think, this is what learning should always feel like. Engaging, inspiring, and full of joy. As the day neared its end, one final session awaited, a perfect conclusion to an already inspiring lineup. It was time for Large Language Models Without Jargon by Nikhilesh Tayal. From the moment he began, there was something refreshing about his approach. He took one of the most complex and technical topics in modern AI, large language models, and explained it in a way that felt simple, human, and genuinely exciting. No heavy terminology, no confusing buzzwords, just clear, relatable insights that made everyone in the room nod along in understanding. He broke down how these models think, learn, and create, showing that beneath all the math and data, there's an incredible story of how machines are learning to understand us better. What truly stood out was how effortlessly he connected with the audience. He made AI feel less like a mystery and more like a companion, something that empowers us, not replaces us. And that's the beauty of great teaching, turning complexity into clarity and curiosity into confidence. And as the day came to an end, it was time to celebrate all the incredible speakers, including myself, who had the privilege to share knowledge, ideas, and inspiration with the students. Seeing everyone receive their gifts was a heartwarming moment, a small token of appreciation for the energy, passion, and insights we all brought to the event. But this vlog isn't just about the highlights. It's about your experience too. I'd love to hear from you. How was your experience? What ideas sparked in your mind? Or how you felt being part of this amazing day? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going and inspire each other. And if you enjoyed this journey, if you want more vlogs, more insights into tech, programming, and the latest in AI and innovation, don't forget to subscribe to the Tech Sharmit YouTube channel. Your support keeps these stories alive and helps bring even more learning, inspiration, and fun straight to you. So here's to curiosity, collaboration, and the incredible power of knowledge. From LNMIIT to you, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep creating.